Hey guys, today in this lecture we are going to learn how to add text and title in a video. So open your Filmora software. So guys, download the video from the resource area and import the video. As you can see here, I have imported the video. So you can import the video from two methods. Either you can double click here and you can select the video where you have kept your file, or you can simply drag and drop into the Filmora software. As you can see, let's drag the video into the timeline. Now here you see guys, here it is the option of titles. Simply click on it and here you see many titles and text are there. Here you see guys, many texts are there. You can simply add one of these. Guys, if you want to add this text into the video, you can simply drag it and drop it into the timeline. Now here you see, let's play the video. Now here you see our text is displaying. And guys, if you want to edit the text, then you can simply double click here and once more double click on here, or you can select it by here and you can write anything what you want. Like I'm writing for Filmora 12. I can keep this text as here. And guys, one more thing, here you see, if I select this Filmora 12, then this is a separate part and this is the separate part. Guys, if you want to select both the things at once, then you can simply click on the first and you can press on your keyboard as shift and click on the other part. Now you can set it like this here. Now let's play the video. Now here you see. Now from here you can see we have added a text and we have written Filmora 12, and look guys how nice the text is displaying. Let's play the video. So guys, by default all the text are there and this text are given by the Filmora software. So guys, the one thing you can do to add a text into your video. So here you see guys, here many titles are there. Here you see here whichever the text you like. Guys, if you click on this star, all the favorites items will be displayed in this favorites section. Now here it is custom and here it is recommended. Many text are there guys, you can explore it. The only thing you need to do is you have to download it. You can double click here and your download will be started like this. And if you want to use into your video, simply drag it into the timeline and whatever the text you want to edit, you can edit it. For example, I will double click here. Now here you see guys, now what the text is, Happy Thanksgiving. So I can change this text as Happy New Year. So let's change it. And if you want to resize it, you can resize it from here. And if you want to change the color of the text, you can change it. Here you see, here it is a color picker. If you click on it, then here you see many colors are there. If you want to select the white, then you can click on it. Here many colors are there. You can select it and you can use it. So here you see guys, we have changed the color also and we have successfully changed the text also. So this way you can add the text in your video. Now I will play the video once. Now here you see how beautiful it is looking. So once again from the starting I will play the video. Now here you see the Filmora 12 is coming. So guys, like this many titles are there. All you need to do is firstly you have to download the titles or text, and after that you can simply drag it into the timeline and you can change the text. You can do many things. Now here you see, if I go to this text option, if I double click here, then here you see many options are there. Here you see guys, in the title section, here it is basic, video layer, and here you see, here it is transform. If you want to transform, you can transform from here. For example, if I want to resize this Filmora 12 text, then I will select this and I can resize it from here. Here you see. I can resize it. Guys, on the screen also you can change the, you can resize it, you can rotate it. All the things you can do from screen also. These are the options. If you want to change the font, then you can change it from here. Like for example, there you see on the preview window, the font is changing. So you can change the font, you can change the size. Like for example, you can change the size also. So guys, you can change many things. Here it is alignment, and here you see guys, here presets are there. If you click on it, then the preset will be added to the text. Here you see many are there. You can test it, or if you want to go to the advanced, then simply click on it. So in advanced guys, many things are there. Now here you see guys, here it is text option. If you want to add a text, then you can simply click on here and you can add a quick text, or you can add a quick 3D text. Now I will click on quick text. Now you can add it here. Now you can write anything. Now guys, here you see, here it is shapes are there. If you click on it, then many shapes are there. Here it is arrow shape, here it is quote shape, and here it is rectangle shape, circle shape is there. Many shapes are there. Let's add a shape. Now you can edit it guys. Now I will just resize it, and now let's make it as here. Now if you want to remove the text inside the arrow, then you can simply remove it from here. Whatever the text is there, here it is showing. Now I will remove that. Now guys, if you want to change the color of the arrow, then you can simply, basically these options are of text and we want to change the color. So here you see shape fill. If I click on it, then I can select any of the color. And if you don't like any of this color, then you can simply click on this more option, and here you see we can set it according to our needs. Like for example, I just selected that and I can click on OK. Or if you want to select this from these colors, then you can click on it and click on the OK button. Now guys, rectangle color has changed. So I want to change it as yellow. Okay. So guys, from this way you can add the shapes, you can resize it, you can do this. And one more option here you see guys, here it is a yellow color square box. If I click on it, then here you see we can adjust the size. If I keep this as here, then the size is changing. And here it is one more option, here it is upper backward. So these are the options, and if you want to add the square as a rectangle, then you can add it. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. For example, I'm now changing the text color. Now I'm writing as cool effects. Now I want to change the color as yellow. Now guys, I want to change the color of this shape. Now I will go to this shape fill and I will select it as black. Now I will do it. If you want to make it as rounded, then here you see, here it is a square box. If you click on it, then here you see now the shape is becoming in a circle format. How cool effect is this guys? Here you see the cool effect. Now if you guys, if you move it as here, then it will become a square. But if we want to change it, we can make it as like this. Now you can change it guys. From here you can change the border, you can blur it, you can reduce the opacity. If you want to change the alignment, then you can keep it as here. If you want to center this text, you can click on this and the text will be centered. So basically these are the options, and here it is animations. If you want to add the animations, you can simply click on it and the animation will be added to the text. So basically there are many animations are there. you can apply it. So guys, you can explore it. So for example, if you want to see the animation how it works, then you can simply double click on the animation, and here you see move to left. If I click on it, then this animation will be applied. So there are lots of animations are there, you can add it. Now guys, if you want to add an image, then you can add it from here. If you want to delete the text, then you can delete from here. Now we'll undo that. Now guys, if you want to change the font, then you can change it from here. You can change the size, and if you want to make it as vertical or horizontal, you can do the things. If you want to make it as bold, and if you want to make it as italic, then you can click on it. For example, now I will show you. Now here you see here the spacing. This is the spacing guys. Now I will select it, and here you see the spacing. Now I am increasing the spacing, then the size, then the spacing will be increased, and this is the horizontal spacing. So guys, this is the horizontal spacing and this is the vertical spacing. And guys, from here you can play the video, you can stop the video, and if you want to go at 1 second forward, then you can go from here. So here are the animations. Here, from here you can customize it, and you want to make it as blur, normal, whatever the things you want to do, you can do from here. And here are the presets. If you click on it, then many presets are there, you can use it. If you click on it, then the presets will be added to the text. All the things are done means you can simply click on this apply button, and all the things will be applied. Now here you see we have added a rectangle, and if you want to delete it, you can simply click on the keyboard button as delete, then your text will be deleted. So guys, this is the way how you can add titles and text into your video. Hope you have got an idea and got to know all about how to add text, titles, amazing features of text. So guys, try to add text, titles in your video. So guys, how I have showed you in this lesson, guys, try to download the text, add the text into the timeline, and do the crazy things guys. I think guys you enjoyed this lesson a lot. Guys, that's it for this lecture, and I will meet you in our next lecture.